Just a quick note of appreciation for Flipkart and its amazing tracking system for orders that you place. Now I'm really impressed and I'm really happy. Now this is the first time which I'm actually ordering from Flipkart, and as I can see, they have this sort of real-time tracking where you can track your order. And first I was at this stage where your order has been placed, and then it went to this stage, item has been confirmed. Then I went to the next stage, has been packed. Then item has been dispatched, and finally currently it's at this stage where the item has been shipped, and presently it's at shipment in scanned at Delhi Sort facility. Eventually it'll reach the hub nearest to me, and then finally it'll be delivered to me. So that's how I chose the in a day guarantee delivery. It's not a very high premium that you pay, which is again something which I commend Flipkart on. They charged 90 rupees extra, which I think is very fair for quick delivery. The item in question is this one. I did my fair amount of research. I was looking for a printer, and I was particular about an all-in-one inkjet. I was particular about the all-in-one facility, and I was preferably looking for a wireless printer, and with that, if the possibility of colors other than black and white existed. Now when I say colors, I mean the exterior, the body color of the printer. And with this particular printer, I've got everything which I was looking for. And whilst reviews may be somewhat mixed, where some people have spoken ill about wireless connectivity, about the quality of print, and the fact that ink tends to finish quite fast, I would say probably that's still a chance which I don't mind taking. And because there are a lot of other reviews which have been very positive, and if you look at the price, I think it's good, very good value for money. This is a total which I'm paying including the 90 rupees, so the cost of the printer itself is less than the 90. 5189 includes that, so which I think is pretty fair. I've done my fair bit of research offline as well. Checked out Nehru Place in Delhi, which is the hub of computing items, not just in Delhi, perhaps all of India. It's probably one of the largest market for computing items, technology items. And after that, I looked up Amazon and Flipkart, and somehow the price here was more reasonable, and with the additional advantage of being able to get the item shipped to you as quickly as possible. I don't think that provision was there on Amazon. So altogether, in summation, I would just say that I primarily wanted to talk about this whole tracking ability, which I think is great. There are other like regular courier services also have their tracking thing, but it's not always stage wise. So here I think this is something which I really appreciated, that from the very first stage to the last stage here you can track your items. So keep it up, Flipkart. That's what I would say. Keep it up.